Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make croissant dough for Croffle. First, combine 250 grams of all-purpose flour, 30 grams of sugar, and 5 grams of salt in a large bowl. In a separate bowl, dissolve 10 grams of active dry yeast in 150 milliliters of warm milk, letting it sit for 5 minutes until foamy. Add the yeast mixture to the dry ingredients and mix until a shaggy dough forms. Knead for about 5 minutes until smooth, then cover and let it rise for 1 hour. Now let's prepare the butter block. Take 125 grams of very cold butter and place it between 2 sheets of parchment paper. Using a rolling pin, gently pound and roll the butter into a 15 by 15 centimeter square. Next, roll your risen dough into a rectangle approximately 20 by 40 centimeters. Position the butter block directly in the center of the dough. Fold one side of the dough over the butter, then the other, sealing the edges completely to enclose the butter. The lamination process is key for flaky croffles. Gently roll the dough into a long rectangle, about 20 by 60 centimeters. Perform a letter fold. Fold 1/3 of the dough over the middle, then fold the remaining third over that. This completes one turn. Wrap the dough tightly and refrigerate for 30 minutes. Repeat this rolling and folding process 2 more times, ensuring you chill the dough for 30 minutes after each turn. This creates those beautiful layers. After completing all 3 turns, wrap your croissant dough tightly and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours, or ideally, overnight. This chilling period is crucial for the butter to firm up and for the dough to relax. When ready, roll the dough out to a thickness of about 0.5 centimeters. Cut the dough into your desired shapes, such as triangles or rectangles, and then cook them in a preheated waffle iron until golden brown and crispy. Remember to check the description for the Echo Dot link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.